Hey guys, welcome back. It is day 16 and I'm glad you're back. Thanks for watching. Yesterday's video has been doing really well. Please leave a comment though. I'd love to hear from you guys. Let's get into today. I want to do a weight loss update because it was a big milestone today. So let's just get right into that. Hit 249.8. I broke into the 240s. I am so excited to be doing that. So I think that's about 8.6 pounds. I think is what the total loss is for about 14, 15, I guess it'd be 15 days. So, anyways, guys, yeah, so it's working. Today I had a keto pizza from Blaze. So I don't know if you guys have a Blaze pizza in your area, but I had a keto pizza. I had the barbecue chicken, no barbecue sauce because I figured there's sugar in that. And then it had the ranch drizzle over it. It was really good. We'll see how that affects the scale tomorrow, so that'll be interesting. And tonight I think we're having pork loin with some white sweet potatoes. Kind of a typical paleo meal we ate when we were eating paleo. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I think I'm going to get into a little bit of garage cleanup. We got ready for the booth yesterday, so we got a little bit of a mess. Probably get into a little bit of garage cleanup, bring you guys along for that a little bit. Probably be a short and sweet one today though. Today was a day I got to go out with my friend. We got to go to the range, and that was a lot of fun. Got to take like a 6-hour break from the grind of getting all these businesses going and keeping them going. But it's been a good day. I'm gonna have dinner with family here in a little bit, but probably keep you around here for a little bit of cleanup, and might chime in for something, but we'll see you in a second. Bring you along with this time lapse of getting this cleaned back up. Tired of this being a mess, so let's clean it up. Before I get started though, tell me something in the comments, guys, that you guys have done, whether it's something business related or some weight loss thing that you're going after, or just something you're trying to accomplish. Let me know in the comments what you're trying to do, what you have accomplished, what you're trying to accomplish. I'd love to chat with you guys in the comments. So let's go. Let's get this accomplished. Hey guys, that is it. I got this cleaned up. Really, I just got it decluttered. So I got all the clutter off the top. Everything that I want to stay down here is here for now. I'd like to find a better place for this extra wood that I have. And now I got to organize that. So that's probably gonna be tomorrow's project, going through that stuff, seeing what is stuff that I need to keep. But for now, we got it looking better, much better. I've been neglecting that for months. I've been working on the other side of the garage and just been neglecting that. So at least it's cleaned up somewhat. There's probably a few things in there that I probably need to go through, just kind of clean out a little bit more thoroughly. But we got it organized, and that's all it's about. Just making a next step, making progress. That's what it's about, making progress. Today was a great day on weight progress. Got down to 249.8. I think I mentioned that earlier. I'm excited to see what tomorrow is. Hopefully the keto pizza today did not affect that in a negative way. I hate teeter-tottering on those 250s, 249, 250. You know, it just plays with your mind when you go back up to the 250 range, because you want to be down there in the 249. I mean, you want to keep going, but you don't want to teeter back up. It's hard with the mind. But you know what? I'm going to have a positive attitude tomorrow. No matter what happens, we're going to roll with it, and we're going to keep after it, guys. I hope you guys are staying motivated. I hope you guys are finding motivation in what you're doing, whether it's business, whether it's weight loss, whatever you're doing, whatever you're striving for. Good luck. Keep after it, and I will see you guys tomorrow.